Does your Java font look like this or even like this? Because no worries, there's always a way to reverse it back into this. Because I did it and so can you. No doubt we all make these common mistakes when it comes to Java font, which lands us in such trouble. Growing and caring for live plants is more challenging than doing the same for fish. So let's discuss 5 common mistakes we make while growing Java font and practical solutions for it. Burying the rhizome. Even knowingly or unknowingly, most of us end up burying the rhizome. But why it's a big issue? Since roots emerges from the underside of this rhizome to grip wood or rocks, but not to pull nutrients from soil like typical stem plants did. When the rhizome is packed under the gravel or sand, it stays constantly wet but oxygen poor. Therefore, anaerobic bacteria flourish, causing the rhizome to rot, which shows as black mushy tissues and yellowing leaves. So what's the best practice to prevent it? Just keep the rhizome fully exposed to the water column. Attach the plants to driftwood, lava rock or slate using fishing line, cotton thread or super glue gel. The roots will naturally wrap and secure themselves within a few weeks. Here's the another common mistakes we all make, and that is too much direct light. Since Java fawn evolved in shaded forest streams of Southeast Asia, under strong aquarium LEDs or metal halides, leaves can photooxidize and become an algae magnet. And then algae spreads on the slow growing leaves, blocking light and stressing the plant. Now, what's the best practice for it to prevent? Provide low to medium lighting, use floating plants or taller stem plants to create dappled shade. Limit photo period to 6 to 8 hours if algae is an issue. Here's the another mistake we all make, that is over fertilizing. Java fern is a water column feeder. Its leaves take up dissolved nutrients directly. Heavy use of root tabs or excessive liquid fertilizers increases nitrate and phosphate, tipping the balance toward algae rather than faster growth. So what's the best practice we can follow? Dose a comprehensive liquid fertilizer at half the recommended rate, adjusting based on growth and tank stocking. If fish stocking is moderate to heavy, fish waste often supplies enough nitrogen and phosphorus. Only trace minerals like potassium or iron may be needed. Here's the another most common mistakes we all make, and that is aggressive pruning or leaf removal. Each Java fern leaf is a long-lived. Older leaves continue photosynthesis and even sprout plantlets on their tips. Cutting healthy leaves or slicing the rhizome repeatedly reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize and weakens its energy reserves. So what's the best practice that we can follow to prevent it? Trim only leaves that are fully dead, riddled with algae beyond rescue or very old. When propagating, cut the rhizome into pieces at least 7 to 10 cm long, each with 3 to 4 healthy leaves to ensure vigorous regrowth. What's the another common mistakes that we all make? And that is ignoring water parameters. It is a very familiar term that Java plant is a hardy plant, but we should know that it is not indestructible. Sudden swings in pH or high levels of ammonia and nitrate damages tissue and stunt the new growth. Extremely soft water can limit calcium and magnesium uptake, causing twisted or translucent leaves. So what's the best practice to prevent? And that is keep the pH between 6 to 8 and temperature between 20 to 28 degrees Celsius. Perform regular weekly water change of 20 to 30% to keep nitrogenous waste low and mineral content stable.